Hello, my beautiful people. How are you guys doing? I hope we are fine. I hope we are doing great. I want to use this opportunity to use this lady to motivate we ladies, we women, we upcoming women. Like, can I say that? Yeah, a woman that we already married and we've not even married. So I want to use this lady to motivate us. She has really inspired me, and I want to use her to motivate you all that you can actually get more sexy, more hot than even her, for your husband not to get side chick outside. I've been following her ever since. She's Nigerian actress. Her name is Iniedo. Okay, so I've been following her since. Normally she's not like this before, but she's not that bad. I'll show you some of her picture. Before, she's not that bad. She's cute and she's so beautiful, but I thought she said like herself she wants to look more hot, more sexy than this. Please guys, just tell me who can see this beautiful lady here, just this beautiful lady, and that man will still be going outside. That means that man need a prayer, like seriously. So they have to be praying for the man. So these are some hot babe, hot pictures that she, after she lose her weight. So look at the way she is. My goodness, so hot. And I even like this bomb, like, Okay, so I just want to use this opportunity just to motivate us that don't ever think that the way you are or like that, something that you are thinking, no, it's not that right, and you can actually get your man back even if your man is going astray. Normally this had a picture that when she's still fat, let me just put it like this, when she's still fat, okay, but she's not that fat to me. I guess she's okay, but she wants herself to look more sexy, to look more hot, and to look more amazing. Look at the way how cute she is, how beautiful she is. But you can see pattern to her face that she's fat with the face. The face. So if you are looking at the face, okay, so she have to reduce her weight and she have to reduce what she's eating. So I'm gonna introduce you to one of my amazing gorgeous lady. All right guys, I have amazing system. Is a great and a lovely system in the house. This is when Inedo is on her training. She really did a great job. She really put her strength, everything, and you can see the great result. Like just within weeks, you can see how hot this lady is. Who can have this lady in his house and still be looking outside? So that means that man need a prayer. So guys, let me just introduce my amazing sister to you. Obviously she didn't know that I'm gonna do this thing, but I saw this Inedo's picture. I said, oh my goodness, I really have to do this for you guys. So if you know you want to lose weight and you want a motivator, you want a moderator, you want an instructor that he or she will be motivating you, I will advise you to go for viana'sbeauty. viana'sbeauty, she's an amazing and lovely lady. She's on YouTube, she's on Instagram, she's on Facebook. You can actually connect her, even you can connect her with her email address. So she's offering a free training. Imagine, like, who can offer a free training for you? She's offering a free training, and even she throw out our WhatsApp number, so you can actually go for that. Just follow her on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, watch her video. Imagine, I'm telling you, imagine, like, once you log into her channel, you will see the first thing that you will see how she lose her weight. Just 4 months, she lose 45 kg. Imagine 45 kg just for 4 months. Imagine, like, seriously, you have to motivate yourself. Alright guys, Vivian Beauty is offering a free training for we guys. I don't know, maybe it's 2 weeks or 1 week or 1 month, so but it's up to you, or I don't know how your training it's gonna be, but I know he's offering a free training for us. So I'll actually be there. I want you to be there, and I want you to motivate yourself. Once she's ready to motivate us, and once she's ready to put all the loads over herself, it's not easy. He's a nursing mother, and he's a mother, he's a wife, and he's still giving us a free training. Like, who else can do that? They will ask you to pay, or they will ask you to take an off, something like that, but she's giving us free of charge. She will be motivating us, she will be instructing us, she will be our instructor for the next 2 weeks or 1 month. I don't know how long the training is gonna be, but you can follow her on her YouTube. Please subscribe to her channel, put on your notification bell. You can also follow her also, Vivian Beauty underscore Vivian_beauty on Instagram, same like Facebook, Vivian Beauty. So if you don't really get it, you can drop your comments down below, so I will inbox our name. I'll put our name there, so our name will be there, our link will be there. You can easily click on the link and go to her home. You will see how she has lost 445 kg just 4 months. Imagine. So she's really doing a great job. Look at this lady, how she really works hard. That is how Vivian also is working hard. Like, sometimes I'm like, sis, please just reduce this thing. It's like, no, it's fine. Oh, so I'm really so inspired seeing women like this. Not only men can do all this. Imagine, once you are fit, you are okay, your bumps are okay, even your chest, everything is okay, your tummy is inside, your figure eight is like, seriously, your man will not go out to see any side chick. You will be the wife, you will be the mother, you will be his own side chick. Alright guys, so I won't talk too much, so I just want you to enjoy the vlog and keep on enjoying yourself. Get yourself inspired, get your training shoe, get your training wear, get your tummy belt. Vivian too is selling a tummy belt, original tummy belt, that everything delivery all over the world. Okay, so guys, thank you so much guys. If you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so you can get a lot of tips. Also, I'm into YouTube tips, YouTube strategy, also sometimes entertain you like this, my people. Thank you so much for coming always. I love you guys so much. I really love you. Keep it real and keep doing good. Stay blessed. Have a nice time. Bye for now.